Gemini plus Perplexity Super Agent 2.0 is insane. Today I'm going to show you how AI does real work for you in minutes. We're talking research, automation, and reports that used to take hours. This combo is brand new and it's going to blow your mind. I'll show you 2 live demos that save you hundreds of dollars in work. Stick around because this gets wild. Alright, so here's what's happening right now. Perplexity just upgraded their super agent features. They added new automation modes and better browser tools. At the same time, Google dropped massive improvements to Gemini. We're talking huge context windows and better reasoning. When you combine these 2 tools together, something crazy happens. You get AI that actually does your job, not just answers questions. It researches, it formats, it automates real tasks. And I'm going to prove it to you right now with 2 demos. Demo 1 is research plus a full report in minutes. Demo 2 is planning and automation that replaces hours of manual work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up yourself. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. So why does this combo matter? Here's the deal. Gemini is insanely good at reasoning and understanding complex stuff. It handles huge amounts of text, images, and even audio now. The new Gemini 2.5 Flash update made it way better at formatting and multimodal tasks. But Gemini doesn't search the web in real time as well as Perplexity does. That's where Perplexity comes in. Perplexity is built for fast web retrieval with citations. Their super agent feature automates browser tasks and pulls live web content with sources. When you put Gemini's brainpower together with Perplexity's speed and citations, you get something that actually replaces real work. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Let me show you demo 1 right now. We're going to research a complex topic and turn it into a 1-page executive report. This is the kind of task that normally takes 2 to 3 hours. We're going to do it in minutes. Here's the setup. I'm using Perplexity with super agent mode turned on. Then I have Gemini ready to go either through the app or the API. Step 1 is asking Perplexity to do the research. Here's the exact prompt I'm using. You are an agent. Research AI Assistant Regulations EU 2025. Return 5 cited sources, 3-sentence summary per source, and 5 practical compliance actions in a bulleted list. Include source links and short confidence score, low, medium, or high. Watch what happens when I run this. Perplexity goes out to the live web right now. It pulls the latest information about EU regulations on AI assistants. It's not using old training data. It's grabbing fresh content from 2025. And here's the key part. Every single piece of information has a citation. You can see the source links right there. Each source gets a 3-sentence summary. Then Perplexity gives me 5 practical actions for compliance. It even adds confidence scores so I know which sources are more reliable. And by the way, if you want to scale your business with AI automation like this, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We go way deeper on workflows like this and show you how to automate your entire business. I'll drop the link at the end of this video. This whole search took about 30 seconds. Now I have raw research with sources, but it's not formatted nicely yet. That's where Gemini comes in. Step 2 is taking this research and making it look professional. I copy everything from Perplexity and paste it into Gemini. Then I use this prompt. Convert the following research into a 1-page executive brief with H1, 3 headers, 5 bullet actions, and a 20-word TLDR. Use clear business language and keep each bullet 1 line. Now watch this. Gemini takes all that raw data and transforms it. It creates clean headers. It organizes the information into sections. It turns the compliance actions into crisp 1-line bullets, and it adds a 20-word summary at the top. The whole thing is ready to copy into a PDF or send to your boss. This is where Gemini 2.5 Flash really shines. The formatting improvements they made are massive. It understands document structure way better than before, and it keeps the citations from Perplexity intact, so you can still verify everything. Think about what just happened. You went from 0 to a professional research brief in under 3 minutes. The brief has sources, it has structure, it has action items. This would normally take you 2 hours minimum if you did it manually. You'd have to Google around, read multiple articles, take notes, organize your thoughts, format everything nicely. Instead, you just use 2 prompts. That's the power of this combo. Now let me show you demo 2. This one is even crazier. We're going to plan and automate a complete outreach campaign. The task is this. Find the top 3 news articles about a specific topic, summarize them, then draft personalized outreach emails to each reporter based on their article. This is the kind of task that marketing teams pay people full-time to do. We're going to do it in minutes. First, I go to Poplexity and use this prompt: Agent, search live web for the top 3 recent articles about AI tools for productivity, return title, URL, 2-sentence summary, and 1 angle for outreach per article. Poplexity goes to work. It searches the latest news articles published in the last few weeks. It finds the top 3 based on relevance and authority. For each article, it gives me the title, the direct link, a 2-sentence summary of what the article says, and a unique angle I can use for outreach. This is already incredibly valuable, but we're not done yet. Now I take these summaries and move to Gemini. Here's the prompt I use. Using the summaries below, draft 3 personalized outreach emails, subject plus 3 short paragraphs to each reporter. Use the reporter's article angle to make it specific. Keep each email 140 words or less. Gemini reads the summaries from Poplexity. It understands the angle of each article. Then it writes 3 completely different emails. Each one is personalized to that specific reporter. Each one references their article directly. Each one has a custom subject line. And each email is under 140 words, so it's quick to read. Let me tell you why this is so powerful. Gemini has native function calling and tool use capabilities now. That means it can not only draft these emails, but potentially schedule them, add them to your CRM, or trigger other actions through APIs. The improvements to Gemini's long context reasoning mean it can handle way more information at once, and Poplexity's agent automation gives it the live web data it needs to be accurate and relevant right now. This combo makes the entire workflow reliable and fast. Think about the time savings here. Finding 3 articles manually takes 15 minutes. Reading them and taking notes takes another 15. Writing 3 personalized emails takes at least 30 minutes if you're fast. That's an hour of work minimum. We just did it in under 5 minutes, and the quality is actually better because Gemini doesn't forget details and Perplexity always cites its sources. Let me recap what we just covered. Gemini gives you incredible reasoning power, multimodal capabilities, and better formatting than ever before. Perplexity gives you fast web retrieval, citations, and agent automation. When you combine them, you get AI that does real work. We did a research report in 3 minutes. We did a complete outreach campaign in 5 minutes. These are tasks that normally take hours and cost hundreds of dollars if you hire someone. The key is knowing which tool to use for what. Use Perplexity for anything that needs live web data or citations. Use Gemini for anything that needs complex reasoning, formatting, or multimodal understanding. Use them together, and you've got a workflow that saves you massive amounts of time. If you want to take this further, I've got 2 things for you. First, join my AI Profit Boardroom. That's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We cover advanced workflows like this every single week. Second, you need to join the free AI Money Lab. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000 plus free NAN workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, and a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description below. And if you got value from this video, hit subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.